Alright, so we are here at TCT Asia at the eSun booth, the famous filament manufacturer, but for some reason there's a 3D printer here. I'm here with Kessin. She's going to explain to us a little bit what this is, because I'm very curious about it, and we are going to try it out as well. So thank you very much. Explain to us a little bit what this is. We have a translator, so he's going to explain what it is, and then she's going to translate to English for us.
It's a machine to scan your food and get information about your food.
Ah, okay, so I'm going to scan my foot,
Yes.
and then this printer is going to print a sole for me.
Yes, scan your food and get information and print the
And then print the sole. That's awesome. Okay, so what should I do?
and take off your shoes and socks and stand it.
Okay, let's do that. 1 second. Was not ready for that. Should I take off my coat as well?
No,
No, not necessary. Okay. I'm a bit embarrassed.
好，准备好，我们要开
Let's
始。
start.
准备好，保持这个姿势站立，不要
Now it's scanning my. Look at that. Film that.
Yes.
So it's scanning my foot in real time, and for some reason this one is
右
red.
脚需要往前移。
Should I put it forward, like that?
Yes. Your right foot.
That now it's fine.
Yes, it's fine. 可以了吗? Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
Finish。
it's finished.
It's finished.
Okay,
It's
now I can step it off. All right, and next, this one.
This
Yes.
one。
Okay.
And take.
It was scanning a QR code. All right, I'm on top.
Yes, keep it this position.
So it pretty much drew an outline, and I was supposed to do. And now I'm spinning. I was not. I was not expecting that. Okay. I'm still spinning. All right, it stopped.
好，下来了，
Okay, it's finished. Can I step out?
可
Awesome.
以穿上。
What do I have in here?
It's a real model of your food.
This one yourself food。
So this is my foot in real time.
It's a different taste of your food in every position.
对，最后同时我们能发现他脚的这个
And-
健康问题。
Yes, I can. So we can find problems of health of your food.
你一说健康问题，就主要这3个问题就好了。
She's laughing. I think it's not good.
How to translate it? Maybe I need to check.
So apparently my foot is that crooked that it cannot diagnose what's going on.
稍微有点问题。
So I have to go to a doctor to see what's going on with my foot, and I just
The
need it
arc
down.
of your foot is normal.
The arc of my foot is normal.
Yes.
Yes.
Next.
之后就是他拇指还有这个后跟左脚
I think the only part that was normal was the arc. I think the rest is not normal.
Yes, the hair of your left foot is a little well goes. You know.
Okay, so I have something with my left foot,
Yes.
with the ankle. Heel valgus. I don't even know what that
就
is.
正常人
The
的
heel.
脚，正常人的脚是这样的，他的脚是
Ah,
左
the
脚
heel is a bit rotated.
Yes.
Okay.
就是这样。
So what's the next step now of the process? And then with all the information that the machine provides, it creates one of these that is the perfect sole for you to kind of correct the position of your foot. As you can see, mine was a little bit tilted, more than it should have been. And this is the final result. That's impressive. I didn't even know that eSun was working with a project like that, but it's an incredible setup machine. And what you can do here is you can purchase the entire set of the machines, right?
We sell the technology.
Ah, okay.
Yes, the whole service. So we can export the whole technology to Brazil and make them more healthy.
Ah, okay, awesome. So the idea here is that you can purchase the entire set and create your own business with these machines and operate this service, which is an incredible service. I think you do need a physician. I think you do need a doctor to operate the machine or to actually make the recommendation.
Yes, it's meant for healthcare.
And who can operate this? Like a regular person can operate it?
We can provide professional training and for home use.
Ah, okay, so they provide professional training so that pretty much everyone can operate it. It's incredible because it makes the whole thing by itself, right?
Yes.
That's good. So this was the eSun booth and the iSun equipment for you to create your own medical soles to have better feet. Thank you very much for watching. This is TCT Asia. A lot of very good content, a lot of things that we haven't ever seen before. So make sure to stay tuned by following our channel, and I'll see you next time.